If you want to see how to build this cute little corner for your kid, stay there. So today we're going to install these two shelves on my kid's bedroom, and it's going to look fantastic. So the idea is to put the smallest one aligned with the wardrobe. So from here we trace a line, and then we place the shelf, and then we have this one below like this. I'll define the distance between the two shelves after I place the first one, but the idea is to look like this. So we're going to do that now, so stay around. So we'll need this, my screwdriver. So the first thing that I have to do is know the middle of this wall, okay? Because this shelf, it's going to be placed in the middle of the wall available. So I have to understand how much I'm going to leave in this side and on this side, because that it's going to determine where this one it's going to be placed from this wall to the place it's going to be, okay? So let's do that now. Okay, so let's put the level inside, like here, right? And now I think the easiest way to do it is simply put it in the middle and guess each side. So what I'm going to do is put the measurement tape like this, put it in place like so, and now see, so here we have like 16 centimeters, and here we have 15. So we have to pull a little bit to this side, right? See if the level is good, and now try again. 15, here 15, so it's good. So I know that I have 15 for this side and 15 for this side. So this one, the upper shelf, it's going to be 15 centimeters from this wall. So it's going to be like this, something like that. Okay, so let's do that. We have 15 from that wall. We have to find the height. So we're going to measure from here up to the top of the wardrobe. So let's see how much we have. We have about 1 meter and 19. So I'm going to put like this. Let me see in this side. It's probably that. No, it's too much. Yeah, like this. So this is the measurement. So let's put in this side like this and just make the mark here. Okay, so we have the mark from the height. Now we have to make from this wall. So from here we have 15. So 15, it's going to be here. Okay, so now you use the level, put from that mark that you made and level the shelf, and you have the right place to put the shelf. So we have the level in place, we have the mark. I probably need a bench. So let's put a bench here, and yeah. So the shelf is in place, really aligned with that. Now we see the level. The level is exactly where it should be. And now make the mark on the wall. And yep. Okay, it's done. I have the marks. Now let's make the holes, and after that we put the biggest one. Okay, let's do that. So I didn't show you the shelf. The shelf is very common on IKEA, and I've used it before in the living room and in previous houses where I lived in. So it's plastic, a little bit of cardboard to protect the sides, right? Doesn't have the screws and the washers to put on the wall, but it brings these small stickers to cover the ugly holes on the shelf. So we're going to put it now, so stay there. Okay, so the hardware that I'm using is a number 8 for walls and these two pieces. So these to make the hole, and then boom, like this. Okay, if you want to minimize the mess, you can put some tape, some painter's tape to grab the dust from the holes. So I'm just going to do that. Just place it under the hole like this, and it's going to be enough probably. Yeah, like this. One in. Yep, it's in. It's good, huh? Very nice. Now just put them in place like this. I always use these ones that have this small thing here because it prevents to go in the hole. So it's very nice. I bought them on AliExpress for 10 bucks, a big box with a bunch of them with different sizes, so it's very good. Okay, so don't forget to change this. In this case, it's for making holes. Now I have to change the speed, and here I probably will use a 10, 9, 10 to just screw the shelf. So use a proper head to do it, and let's do it. You have two solutions to put the shelf. You can put it like this or like this. It's used a lot as well, but I made the holes to screw it like this. If I do it like this, it's not going to be aligned with the wardrobe, so let's stick with this. Just place the screws first in the holes and then screw them, literally. And it's done. Okay, now let's find the proper place to put this one. Probably like this or something. So for this one, I decided to put 30 centimeters. So I measure 30 from here, okay, to the top part of the shelf. So something like this, okay? Let's do like this. Now place 30 centimeters here, okay, nice. We can also do like this. Put here another one, and like this we have another reference. So 30. So we have this 30 centimeters mark from the top. Now we just need to find the space between this wall and the beginning of the shelf. So we can do this. We have the 30 mark, and now we can place the other one, the 15. With that, we know where to start. It's right here. Okay, so it's done. Now we just place the shelf in the right place here. This is our reference. This. Now we just try to level the thing. Okay, it's leveled. A little bit more. All right. Okay, it's leveled. Oh fuck. It's not easy with one person. So we have the mark here that defines the 30 from the top and the 15 from the side wall. So, okay, this is the most important point. Okay, it's done. Now we just leveled the thing. So it's leveled. Now I have to make a lot of force. No, oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay, it's leveled. Stay, stay. One. Okay, there we go. Now another one. Oh shit, it's not. God, it's not easy, let me tell you. Okay, this part is okay. Because I need one hand to make the mark, it's getting very difficult. Come on. Point. I'm starting to get a little bit annoyed. Okay, right there. Freaking stay. I think I got it. Oh yeah, freaking. Fuck! If you have someone to do with you, this one, the bigger shelf, please do. Little bit of painter's tape. Very easy. Now let's take this. So pull it a little bit like this. Close it. And now roll. Like this. Look at this. Beautiful, huh? Roll this. Take out the dust, all the dust, it's inside the tape. This is very awesome. Okay, I've been using Einahal for a very long time now, and I really love the brand. It's not a very expensive brand, and it's awesome. This screwdriver came with 2 batteries, and they last forever. It's very good. Now let's screw the middle one first. Okay, and now the others. Okay, this shelf doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so the shelf is in place. Now we just need to put the sticks to cover the screws, and then we'll decorate the space. So let's take one. It's very thick. So one is in place. Great. The second one, I have to find where I put the other 2 for the smaller shelf. I think I lost them, but we'll see. So, and 3, and looks awesome. Okay, I just found them. As you can see, the camera is very far away from the shelf, and you still can see the holes in the shelf. So I'm going to put the last 2 stickers, and they're going to disappear. So 1, and the second one, 2, and they're just gone. So beautiful. I just bought this small vase with a wooden touch to it, and this plant. So let's put it in here. Okay, so a little beautiful octopus here. This that has a very nice meaning from our family. It has a lot of signatures from the first event that we made for our kid. It's an initial of our son's name. So it goes here. A frame of my beautiful wife here. And some other accessories. You can put this here, like this. This is some images, black and white, because he's very little and does not see more colors than this. So we can put it like this, probably. And some other cute toys. So yeah. It's going to be like this. Now I'm going to put the other stuff here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.